Hi everyone, welcome to Aping's Kitchen. Today we will be making brown butter chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients we are using are salted butter, dark brown sugar, granulated sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking soda, kosher salt, and chocolate chips. Yes, I nailed it! The first thing we'll be doing is placing butter into a small saucepan over medium heat. Cook and swirl butter until it melts, and watch carefully as butter browns. When butter is brown, carefully pour into a heat-proof bowl, scraping brown bits from pan 2. Let butter cool for 30 minutes, or you can place in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Place brown butter into a large mixing bowl. Stir in brown sugar and granulated sugar. Stir until well combined. Add eggs and vanilla extract and stir until well combined. The next thing we're going to be doing is stirring in flour, baking soda, and salt. Stir until dough forms and add chocolate chips until well combined. I did it! Now it's time to take your cookie dough and place it onto the baking pan. Make sure it's at least 1 inch apart and bake for 8 to 9 minutes in the oven. Yeah! I did it! And there you have it, folks. And there you have it, everyone. Brown butter chocolate chip cookies. Recipe by my auntie. I don't want to credit her though, so it's fine.
What a fake reaction.
Can you please redo it?
No, I'm just gonna keep going.